Hi guys, let's unbox my Oraimo package. This package took about a week to arrive and I was super excited, but unfortunately I was a bit sick, so I couldn't unbox it at that time. The highlight of this order for me was the 5k discount that I got. I used it to buy grapes because why not? I've tried this power bank. I actually lost the clip of unboxing it, but it was so amazing. It's very portable. I always carry whenever I'm going to school because I don't need to carry any other cord or whatever, and it's lightweight. Now this is a car charger. This car charger comes with a Type-C cord and a lightning cord. Unfortunately my car is not here yet, so I can't drop a proper review on that, but I'll probably drop a review when my car gets here. So guys, up next is the spin scrubber. This spin scrubber has saved my life. It has saved my time. It has cut my cleaning time in by like half. You guys are going to see the review at the end of this video. So this spin scrubber comes with like 5 attachments for scrubbing different places, so you have to make sure you read your manual. Part of me regrets this purchase, part of me doesn't regret this purchase, because I currently use this handheld vacuum to vacuum my bed and my windowsill. Now for my bed, I used to before now, I used to feel things on my bed. But when I started using this vacuum, it changed, it legit stopped. Even my friend had to testify to it. So now that's the reason why I'm not regretting this. Although you can't use this to vacuum your house. It's too small. You could just maybe sweep your house, pack it up, and use this to vacuum. This right here is to turn on the torch. So this is to I'm going to be using this to vacuum the bed just to see what it's going to give me. You guys can see what's inside. So it comes with 3 mouths, we all know, but I'm just going to be using these 2 for today. So I would use this to try under the bed. So to put the other attachment, it's pretty much going to go like this. Am I sure? Okay, yeah, it's going like that. So I would put this under my bed to clean. See, you guys can see that, right? So let's see. This is like the actual reason why I got this. This coming out now, it's like a downside. That's a problem. To unlock this thing, just press here and why is it hard? So to open this, you basically just have to, yeah. See that? Yep, so you just detach and dust off. So this is the hose that I did not want to bring out. The little brush. You just generally do like this. Just dust it off. And you're advised to clean this at least once or twice a month. So personally, I would be cleaning this after every use because it just makes more sense to me that way, and I would rather not have it to be extremely dirty before cleaning. I'm going to be using this brush head for this. So I'm not going to wait for it. So I haven't been around for 6 months. So this is 6 months worth of debt. So to turn it on, you go here, and this is how you increase the speed. But the manual says there's no need for the higher speed. So let's see. So I've changed the brush. Let's use this. Yeah, so this is what my sink looks like right now. I think I would have gotten a way better result if I had used an actual cleaning solution. But overall, I love how it made my sink really neat. Now let me know in the comments if you will be buying this. Bye guys. Yep, so now I'm going to try it out on the floor and show you guys. This is the next place. I'm basically just going to go on with detergent since I used Harpic in the other place. So I want to see which one cleans properly. Again, I want to see. So Oraimo advises us to use a cleaning solution and pour it on the sink and leave it for a while. But I do not have that, and I'm a Nigerian. So I'm going to go with this brush to get some specific areas. This is me prepping to wash. Left, I'll show you guys what it looks like again. So see. Now this is not dirt, this is glue. They just did a very dirty work.